The myth claims that cracking knuckles will cause arthritis and ruin your hands for life. Scientists tested joint range and cartilage wear using MRI scans and long-term observational data, showing no link to arthritis. In the study, frequent crackers showed normal grip strength and no accelerated joint degeneration compared to controls. The sound is just gas bubbles popping inside the joint, not bone damage, and relief comes from temporary pressure release. So knuckle cracking won't doom your joints. If it annoys others, do it quietly and save your hands.